Protein is now at Starbucks, and it's never tasted so good. Try our all-new caramel protein lattes with up to 31 grams of protein and options with no added sugar.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Level up your drink at Starbucks.
This podcast is sponsored by Talkspace.
Last year, I went through many different life changes. I needed to take a pause and examine how I was feeling in the inside to better show up for the ones who need me to be my best version of myself.
When you're navigating life's changes, Talkspace can help. Talkspace is the #1 rated online therapy, bringing you professional support from licensed therapists and psychiatry providers that you can access anytime, anywhere.
Living a busy life, navigating a long-distance relationship, becoming a first-step father, Talkspace made all of those journeys possible. I could speak with my therapist in the office. I could speak with my therapist in the comfort of my home. I was never alone.
Talkspace works with most major insurers, and most insured members have a $0 copay. No insurance, no problem. Now get $80 off your first month with promo code SPACE80 when you go to Talkspace.com. Match with a licensed therapist today at Talkspace.com. Save $80 with code SPACE80 at Talkspace.com.
Medical notes this week. Your choice of cooking oil might be doing more than just seasoning your food. A study published in the Journal of Lipid Research suggests that soybean oil, the most widely consumed oil in the United States, is linked to significant increases in obesity and diabetes. Diets high in this oil led to unique changes in gene expression within the liver. These genetic alterations can disrupt the body's ability to regulate energy and metabolism, potentially fueling the current obesity epidemic. A breakthrough in mental health treatment is offering new hope for those living with schizophrenia. A study published in Nature Mental Health highlights the first new class of schizophrenia medication to be approved in over 50 years. Unlike traditional antipsychotics that block dopamine receptors, this new drug targets receptors that balance certain signals in the brain. Clinical trials showed a significant reduction in symptoms like hallucinations and social withdrawal for some patients, though not all participants responded as well. The hidden timers in your brain may hold the keys to your memory. According to research published in Nature, scientists have identified specific neural patterns that track the passage of time during the formation of memories. This allows the brain to timestamp experiences and sorts which ones go into our long-term memory. Understanding these markers could be vital for treating conditions like Alzheimer's, where the chronological order of memories is often the first thing to fade. And finally, checking in on your employees' mental health might require more than just a yearly survey. A new research report by Johns Hopkins reveals that well-being fluctuates significantly throughout the work week, suggesting that one-and-done annual reviews provide an inaccurate snapshot of organizational health. The team recommends a more dynamic approach to monitoring morale, allowing companies to implement real-time support systems that prevent burnout before it starts. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Maayan Voss Bettancourt.